Uh, if anyone is not present in yesterday class, please tell me, because in previous class we discussed about Bootstrap, basics about Bootstrap. So that is why I'm asking.
Ma'am, I wasn't present yesterday.
Okay. So, I'm repeat the yesterday session. So we are what we are discussed in yesterday class. Okay. Yeah. Uh, so, if you have any knowledge about Bootstrap, uh, Raghav sir, right?
Uh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Little knowledge.
Okay, okay,
Basics, ma'am.
okay, 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 sir. Thank you. So in yesterday class we discussed like what is Bootstrap and how we are using the Bootstrap in our projects, and what is container, and what is the grid system, what is Bootstrap colors, Bootstrap tables. So these things we are discussed in yesterday class. So like Bootstrap is a popular framework and it's used for the responsiveness. Then we discuss about container and container float. So yeah, so this is the example of container. This is the like Syrian links, which is important to add in our Bootstrap file, and this is the container. So yeah, so basically it's provide some distance, and
Okay, ma'am. No issues.
and then this is the container fruit. So this, yeah, so it's remove this space basically, and then we discuss about grid system. So this is basically grid system. So you can add in one row three columns only. So it is the rule of this grid system. You can only add in one row three columns. So basically, this is used for the images when you are add the images in your website. So you are using this. Okay, so then then we discuss the Bootstrap colors. This is the different type of colors in Bootstrap, like muted, primary, success, info, warning, danger, secondary, dark, light, and white. Because you, uh, this is Bootstrap mostly use the classes, so that's why we write the class and then the color. Basically, in this we are CSS we are write the direct color name, but in Bootstrap we are write like text muted, text primary, text success. So this is the color names, and we are use these colors, and uh, you create the text in particular color. And after that we discuss the tables, like border table, hover, black and dark table, and borderless table. So for border table, this is the same, then but then the difference is like table border. So it's provide the border basically on table. Mm, yeah. So this is like border table. uh, and then we like hover rows. So then we change the class like table over hover, and then so basically this is the table hover. And then we discuss about black and dark tables. So it's basically set the background uh, in on table. So for this is then only change the table class, table dark. So it's changed the table like a dark color. So, so this is the basically the dark table, and this is all things are responsive. Like if you check, then it's responsive. Uh, and next is borderless table. So it's remove the border. So this is similar, but the change, you can change the table of class name. So basically, this is table borderless. And for borderless, so it's remove the border. So any doubt, anyone or which are not present in yesterday class, doubt? So please ask me. Hello.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so in today's class, we discuss the buttons in Bootstrap, the button style, button size. After that, we discuss the Bootstrap Progress Bar, different type of progress bar available in Bootstrap like basic, progress, label, animated. And after that, we discuss the Bootstrap pagination, and then we discuss the Bootstrap alert, how we are create the alert box in Bootstrap, and then budget. So first we discuss about button styles. So anyone have any idea what is buttons? Because we are discussing CSS, different type of buttons. Okay. So, we are discussing yesterday class the different type of colors in Bootstrap. So we are similarly use the same colors in button styles. So I explain you with example. This is basically CDN link.
No, ma'am. Can you say one time?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next is button size. We are create different type of button, but the button size is very important in bootstrap. So I explain you with example. So it set the button size like large, default, and small. So it is very important because you can set the button size according to your form or something. So like button. So in this code, first of all we are add the CDN link, then close the head tag and start body tag, then use div class is equals to container, and button type, the like the previous example we are create like button type is equals to button class button primary, which we are add like button large. So we are write button lg which means large, and then btn primary btn dot md which means default. This is a default size of in if you create any button or use any type of form and using like size. So this is the default size. So every time you add like this button md, so md which means it's a default size. So button then we write button type is equals to button btn sm. So sm which means small. So this is like but size of button you can set the like this is the large default and small. So you can set according to the requirement of website. So this is the example of bootstrap button size. Anyone have any doubt in this?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Actually, ma'am, I was absent yesterday, and I have asked you about the button when you explain. I don't know, my voice is not coming through. Can you please explain?
Button. This topic, no?
Ma'am?
Okay, ma'am. Sure. Basically, like in this code, uh, firstly we are add the CDN link, then we write the div class equals to containers like we are discussing previous in yesterday class what is container, and then we create the button type is equals to button, and in the bootstrap we are mostly use the class because we can specify the any type with the class name. So that is why we write class is equals to btn. So btn is nothing but it's a like a button name. So the class name like btn, then btn primary. So primary is basically the color because we are discussing previous example this like primary is a color of blue. This is the color of blue color and we are write in bootstrap as in primary. And then we write btn large. This is used for the size like large medium or small. So like btn large, so it's give the button size large, then medium, so it's give the button size medium, and small, so it's give the button size small. So this is depend on the project requirement or your so what type of like button size you are use. So this is the different type of size like large, md and small. So md is a default size. Hello ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt ma'am, or you can you are understand?
I was asking that BTN is a predefined.
Yes, ma'am. It is like in Bootstrap, we are right to class BTN, BTN primary. It is important or it is compulsory. You can check. Hello, hello. I'm audible. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt? Or anyone any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next is Bootstrap Progress Bar. So anyone have any idea what is Progress Bar in simple words? Any idea? Okay. So basically, the progress bar is used for the uh, is basically used for the process like it is completed like 100%, 50%, or 20%. So we can represent as in the form of progress bar. So I explain you with example one by one. So first one is basic progress bar. So it show the basic progress. So I explain you with example. So it's create like this progress bar. Uh, so the style width is 70%. So it show like this. In progress bar, we are create like div class is equals to container and div class is equals to progress. It is important because we are creating a progress bar. So this is the class. We can import this class like div class is equals to progress. It is important. That is why we are import this progress. Then we write div class is equals to progress bar because we are create progress bar. So that's why we write. And then style width is equals to, with 70%. You can set the width according to you. I set the width 70% and then close the div tag and then close div and HTML. So this is the basic progress bar in Bootstrap. So anyone have any doubt in the basic progress bar in Bootstrap? Any doubt? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay, others.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next is progress bar labels. So I explain you with example. So it's show the label like 60. So this is the uh, similar to previous code. The difference is like we are set style with this 60%, and we are write this close this, and after we write 60, so that is why it show like a 60% of progress. If I write and with his 100, so with this 100%, so and I write 100, so the progress is like 100%, so it's like 100. So this is basically the progress bar with label. So you can set the label like how this is basically used in when we use some type of projects or something, so we can set the progress bar. So anyone have any doubt in this progress bar, like second one? Any doubt? Hello. Okay. Others, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next is animated progress bar. So we can set the animated class, use animated class and set the progress bar. I explain you with example.
Ma'am, in div class container bracket close.
Yes, thank you. So basically, it's create like uh, progress. So it is like in animated form. So we are create a div class progress. Div class is equals to progress bar, like the previous example. Then progress bar, stripe progress bar animated. So this is the important because it's stripe. This is the lines are called stripe, and this is the animated form. So that's why we write progress bar animated, and then style width is 40%. So the this is basically the 40%, and then we close the div tag and div body in HTML. Any doubt, anyone? Hello? Any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Others? Any doubt? Okay. So next is Bootstrap pagination. Anyone have any idea what is pagination? Okay. So the pagination is used for sort like go to one page to another. So then a website is a lot of pages. So we are create the pagination. So I explain you with example. So it's create the pagination like 1, 2, 3 and next. So basically in this code we are add the cdn link, then we are create the div class is equals to container, and ul class it is unordered list class is equals to pagination. Then li class is equals to page item. It is an basically it's add the item like how many item in like in your you in your say, uh, in how many pages in your website. So this is the page item, and then the class is page link because it's redirect to other page, so that's why we write the uh, a, anchor class is equals to page link, and reference is hash because when we write the any reference, so it's redirect to other page, and we write the previous, and then same the href the reference is hash, and the page item is 1, then 2, then 3, and then next, and then we close the anchor tag and li, and then we close the ul tag. So anyone have any doubt in pagination?
Ma'am, page item and page link are a predefined function.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So, are there any doubt? Hello.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this next alerts and what we are discussing our next class. So, Shruti ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am you can take the attendance.
Yes, ma'am. Done with the attendance.
Okay. So you can leave now. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, all.